starts to fill my dream. I travel about time and space to be where I have been. Just as with else of a generation, this world will seldom see. We talk of days for which they sit and wait, when all will be revealed.